The 22nd Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England, has been off to a good start for the Caribbean, with Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and St. Lucia all gaining medals thus far. The track and field program kicked off to a decent start as several Caribbean athletes have advanced to the next rounds of various events, including the women's and men's 400 meters. So far, the race of the championship has been the women's 100 meters, where the event saw half of the field is from the Caribbean, namely Jamaica, St. Lucia, and the Bahamas. The event had been building up to be a fantastic one, as weeks leading up to the championship, world champion Shericka Jackson was expected to be one of the main stars there. However, just days before the beginning of the track and field program, she decided not to be at the games. Nevertheless, the fastest woman alive, Elaine Thompson-Herah, decided to attend the meet in order to add to her growing resume. The Caribbean women looked quite steady in the rounds, with Jamaica's pair of Elaine Thompson-Herah, Natalia White, St. Lucia's Julian Alfred, and Bahamian Tynia Gaither all advancing to the finals of the event. The stage was set for the final, with the double-double Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson-Herah, being the overwhelming favorite to take the title. The race was off to a fast start, with Elaine Thompson-Herah leading the race from 60 meters while the rest of the field was trailing behind. She looked quite comfortable, but St. Lucia's Julian Alfred was closing behind her in second. Thompson-Herah crossed the line in 10.95 seconds, with Julian Alfred in second with 11.01 seconds, to close out a Caribbean first and second in the event. Thompson-Herah became the sixth Caribbean woman to win the title and the third Jamaican woman to win the event. Alfred also created history by becoming the first St. Lucian woman to win a medal in the event. The Commonwealth Games continues and promises to be a more exciting one for our Caribbean athletes. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video. This is J-irie Caribbean. See you in the next video.